So the paintwork on the aircraft is back to, or nearly to, the way it was in 1986. The white, the red, the black on the cowls and the wings, these were actually Transport Canada colors. Many Transport Canada aircraft used this same color scheme. So what happened was we got the aircraft back in about 2021, I believe it was, and the aircraft had been paint stripped. So we decided that we were going to put it back to the Odyssey. We have 1,000 photographs and painstakingly poured through the photographs to make sure that we could apply the paint as accurately as we possibly could. There was a couple of things that we couldn't duplicate. We tried, and I'm glad we failed, but we tried to scan the Spirit of Vancouver and the DC-3 flight around the world and have what we call a paint mask made. But we could not get the paint mask to come out the way we wanted. So we talked to a few different people and we came up with a wonderful, wonderful young lady. Her name is Abryl Carter. Her company is Abryl Art. So she did it by hand and it's perfect. We talk about the crew list and we get lots of questions on why the crew list looks the way it does, especially Jim O'Toole's name on the bottom. It's in a different typeset or different font than the rest of them. We have photos of that crew that you see, Barry down through Doreen, without Jim, and then later on we have a photo of Jim being added. So although it looks odd, it's exactly the way it was in 1986.